If you're looking for that classic classroom experience, Kaplan's in-person MCAT course delivers. The set class schedule will provide you with accountability and structure, helping your studies stay on track. During class sessions, one of our expert instructors will lead you through the content and strategy you need to crush the MCAT. They've all scored in the 90th percentile or higher and have tons of teacher training, so you'll be in very capable hands. Outside of class sessions, you'll have a comprehensive set of online materials to help you review and practice your skills. Your personalized study calendar will custom build a study plan that prioritizes the highest yield content on the days that work best for you. Plans change? No problem. You can recalibrate your calendar at any time. Round out your prep experience with live online workshops that deep dive into content and question review. Meeting your teacher face-to-face, engaging in a physical classroom, going somewhere with no distractions. The in-person course delivers all of these and more. It's all backed up with Kaplan's higher score guarantee, so if you put in the work, we've got you covered. Come join us.